Hello everyone, in this video we are going to learn how to send automated WhatsApp message to Facebook leads for electronics business. Suppose I am having an electronic shop and to promote my business I am running an ad campaign on my Facebook page, and now I want that whenever a new lead will be generated through Facebook lead ads, automatically a WhatsApp message should be sent to that same lead. So how we are going to automate this entire process? For that we will have to integrate both these applications, and that we are going to do with the help of an amazing automation software, that is Pabbly Connect. So what we are going to do, we have Facebook lead ads in our trigger, and in action I am going to take Vati, through which I want to send WhatsApp template message. If you want, you can also take any other application such as Interact or AI Sensi. And now we are going to connect both of them by using Pabbly Connect in order to automate this entire process. And to learn this entire automation step by step, let me take you all to my screen. In this video, we are going to learn that how can we automatically send WhatsApp message to our Facebook leads for electronics business in this Diwali season. So in order to create this integration, we will have to integrate Facebook lead ads with WhatsApp, and for that I'm going to use an amazing automation software, that is Pabbly Connect. So this is the homepage of Pabbly Connect, where we can reach directly by typing pabbly.com/connect, this URL in our browser. Once we will reach on this homepage, we can find two options here, sign in and sign up for free. So if you are an existing user, you can directly click on sign in. But if you are a new user, you have to click on sign up for free button to create your free new account. And also when you will create your account, you will get 100 free tasks every month to explore this amazing software and to test multiple automations. Now because I'm already an existing user, therefore I'm clicking on sign in. And this is the all app section of Pabbly, where we can find all the products which are offered by Pabbly. Now to create this automation, we are going to use Pabbly Connect. So let's click on access now. And it has taken us towards the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. So on this dashboard, we can find all of our workflows which we have created, and we can also create multiple folders here in order to save our workflows. So as you can find, I have two folders here. In this test integrations folder, I have saved a lot of workflows. Now in the same manner, you can create multiple folders and save your workflows accordingly in them. To create a new workflow, we have to click on this create workflow option given on right corner with blue color. So let's click on it, and a dialog box is appear in front of us, which is asking us to provide a name to this workflow. So let us first of all provide a name here. Send automated WhatsApp message to Facebook leads for electronic business. So this is the name which I want to give to my workflow. You can give any name to your workflows according to your choice. After giving the name, we can also select the folder in which we want to save our workflows. So here from the drop down, I am going to select test integrations folder, and now we will click on create. As we do that, we can find that two windows are open in front of us, trigger and action. The trigger says when this happens, and the action says do this. That means the action is the response towards our trigger. So whatever we are going to select in our trigger is going to command the entire workflow and will initiate it. And the actions are going to follow the same command. Therefore, we can only have one trigger in any workflow, but we can have multiple actions as we want. Now, let's understand the concept of trigger and action once again with the example of this workflow. Let's say here we are going to take Facebook lead ads in our trigger and Vati, through which we want to send the WhatsApp template message as our action. And we want that whenever a new lead will be generated from Facebook lead ads, the response of that same lead should be captured here in Pabbly Connect, and automatically by using the same response, automatically a WhatsApp message should be sent to that new lead through Vati. Okay, so here we can find that our action is the response towards the trigger. Now let's start creating this workflow. First of all, we will select the trigger application as Facebook lead ads. And now we will select the trigger event. So the trigger event is the event on the happening of which the workflow is going to trigger. Here we are going to select new lead instant as our trigger event, as we want that whenever a lead will be generated in Facebook lead ads, automatically the response of that lead should be captured here, and as soon as the response will be captured, the workflow will get triggered. Okay, so let's click on connect. And now from the given options, I am going to click on add new connection to build a new connection with Facebook lead ads account. If you want, you can also go with your existing connection. We will click on connect with Facebook lead ads. And with this, automatically our authorization has become successful and our Facebook lead ads account is connected with Pabbly Connect. Since I was already logged into my Facebook account, the connection between Facebook lead ads and Pabbly Connect has become very easy. So you also have to keep in mind always to keep logging to your Facebook account before making up a connection, as it makes the connection simple and easier. So now after building the connection, we will move further, and here it is asking us for the page and the lead gen form. So here we have to select the Facebook page and the lead gen form associated with that page. Now, in order to understand this, let me take you to my Facebook account, and here after coming on the account, we can find that I have a page for my business named as Electronics Digital Shop, and in order to promote my business, I have also created a lead gen form. And now I want that as soon as a new lead will be generated for my electronic shops by submitting the form which I have created, automatically the response of that lead should be captured in Pabbly Connect. But before that, we will first have to select the page and the lead gen form here. Okay, so let us select the page Electronics Digital Shop, the name of my company and the page which I have created. Okay, and now we will select the lead gen form associated with this page. So I want to use this contact form which I have recently created for generating leads, and I want that whenever a lead will be generated by using this form, then only the response of that lead should be captured here in Pabbly Connect, otherwise not. Okay, so after selecting the page and the form, we will simply click on save and send test request. And we can find that as we have clicked on save and send test request, it is showing waiting for webhook response. That means now we have to do a test submission by filling up this form in order to capture the response in Pabbly Connect. How we are going to do that? For that, let me take you to Meta for Developers. After coming here, we have to go towards My Apps. After coming on My Apps, we can find the option of tools. Let's select this, and it will take us towards developer tools. So under other developer tools, we will find the option of lead ads RTU debug tool. Let's select it, and it has taken us towards lead ads testing tool. So this lead ads testing tool is going to help us in order to test our integration. So we will submit the form here in this tool, and then as soon as we will submit the form, the response of that form will be captured in Pabbly Connect automatically, and with this we will test our integration. So because I'm not running any live campaign on my Facebook page, therefore here I'm going to test my integration with the help of this lead ads testing tool. But in case when you will create your own lead gen form for your business and run a live campaign on Facebook lead ads, then every time a new lead will be generated by submitting that form, automatically the response of that lead will be captured in Pabbly Connect. Okay, so here let us do the test submission. So first of all, we will have to select the page. So here I am selecting the page Electronics Digital Shop, the Facebook page for my business, and we can find that automatically as we have selected the page, the lead gen form associated with this is already selected as contact form. So I want to use this same form. Okay, now we will click on preview form to open this form and submit it. But before that, it is given that if you want to create a new lead, you will first have to delete the existing lead by clicking on this delete lead button. So let us do that. And after deleting the existing lead, we will refresh this page, and once again we will select the page and the form. So this is the page and the form is selected. Now we will click on preview form. So this is very important step. Whenever we delete the existing lead, we first have to refresh this page once, and then again we have to select the page and the form so that a new form could be open in front of us for doing a new test submission. Okay, let us click on preview form. And this is the form which I have created for my electronics business named as Electronics Digital Shop. So this is a contact form, and the description is: this festive season bring endless celebrations with Electronics Digital Shop. Connect with us by submitting the form and enjoy special festive discounts. So my motive here is that whenever a person is going to fill the form by submitting the details, automatically the response of that person will be captured in Pabbly Connect. And by using the details of that person, I want that automatically a WhatsApp message should be sent to that same lead informing about the amazing offers I have for them in this festive season. Okay, so let's submit this form. Because I'm doing a test submission here, therefore I'm going to enter dummy details. Let's start with the full name. Let's say the name is Smart User. Email, so I'm going to enter a dummy email here, smartuser508@pabblytudes.com, and at last a dummy phone number. Done. Now we will click on next and submit this form. So as we have submitted the form, let's go back and check on Pabbly Connect. And here we can find that yes, automatically as soon as we have submitted the forms, the response is received here. So this response contains all the details of the form, full name, email, and the phone number, and these are the details of the lead. So this means our integration is perfectly successful. Now, after setting up the integration between Facebook lead ads and Pabbly Connect, we will move further. We will move further towards our action step, and that is to send automated WhatsApp template message to our Facebook leads. Now, in order to send WhatsApp template message, I am going to use Wati. Wati has the official API access of WhatsApp. If you want, you can also use any other application such as Interact or AI Sensi. So here I'm going to connect Wati with Pabbly Connect. Okay, so in the action application, I'm going to select Wati, and in the action event we will select send template message. Click on connect, And from the given options, I am going to select add new connection to build a new connection with Bati account. If you want, you can also go with the existing connection. After selecting add new connection, we have to enter two details over here, API endpoint and access token. Now from where we are going to find these two details? For that, the instructions are provided to us here. So what we are supposed to do, we just have to go towards our Bati dashboard, then we have to click on API docs, and then we will find both the details over there. Let me take you to my Bati account and we will go towards API docs. And here we can find that both the details are provided to us here. Okay, so first of all, let us copy the API endpoint and we will paste it here in this field. And the next is access token. So again, we will go towards Bati and we will copy the access token and we will paste it here in this field. Done. In the same manner, you have to find your API endpoint and access token by going towards API docs of your Bati account, and then you will click on save. As we have done this successfully, our Bati account is connected with Pabbly Connect. So let's move further, and here we have to enter the details in order to send WhatsApp template messages to our Facebook leads. First of all, it is asking us for the WhatsApp number. So in this field, we have to enter the number of the person to whom we want to send the WhatsApp message. Here our motive is to send WhatsApp message to all our Facebook leads. Therefore, we are going to use the details which we have received in the earlier response, that is Facebook lead ads response, in order to map the details over here. So mapping is inserting data from our previous step. We just have to select our previous step like this and we will find all the details over here. So whatever detail we want, we will simply select that and it will be mapped. Here we want to map the number. We have selected it and it is mapped. Because we have mapped this number, automatically whenever a new response will be captured through Facebook lead ads and Pabbly Connect, this number is going to be replaced with a new number of a new person. But if we will enter this number manually, then it will become static and is not going to change with each and every response. Therefore, wherever in the workflow we want that data should get replaced automatically, there we use mapping. And when we want that data should remain same with each and every response, there we type it manually, and that is called as static mapping. Now, after mapping the number, let's move further, and here it is asking us for the template name. Now here we have to enter the name of the template through which we want to send WhatsApp messages. So in order to understand that, let me first take you to my Bati account and we will go towards template section. Here we can find that I have multiple templates for different purposes. In order to send WhatsApp template messages to my Facebook leads for electronic business, I have created this template named as Diwali discounts. Let me open it and show you. And here this is the template. So the name of template is Diwali discounts. Category I have selected as marketing, and I have selected English as the language to send messages. If you want, you can also select any other language here. Okay. Now the next is broadcast title. So in the broadcast title, I have given the name of my shop, that is Electronics Digital Shop. Whatever we are going to select in our broadcast title is going to be shown in the header of the message in bold. So here I want to send this message from Electronics Digital Shop. Therefore, I have given the broadcast title as the name of my shop. In case if you want to attach any image along with this message in the header, you can also select the broadcast title type as image. So we will move further, and this is the body of my message. I have used the message as hello dummy user, this Diwali brings endless celebrations with Electronics Digital Shop. Enjoy 50% off on all your purchases plus extra 20% off for your first order. Apply coupon code festive1st20. For more exciting offers on retail and wholesale bookings, you can connect with us at electronicsdigital20@test.com. Thank you, team Electronics Digital Shop. So this is the message which I want to send to all my Facebook leads, but here I want to customize this message according to each and every lead by changing the name. So that I'm not going to do manually every time, but I have simply used variable here in the place of name. And now because I have used variable in the place of name, every time a new lead will be generated from Facebook lead ads and the WhatsApp message will be sent to that lead, automatically in the place of name, a new name of a new person will appear. Okay, and in this way, by using variables, we can easily customize our messages to send multiple messages to different people. So I have kept a basic message. When you will create your own message here, you can definitely create it in more customized and creative format. Now we will move further, and here if you want to attach any footer line along with the message, you can also use this option of footer, and even you can attach call to action buttons to this message. Okay, now after creating the template and the content of the message, you also have to provide the sample content here. Sample content is the value for the variables which we want to use. So here you can find that I have used only one variable for name. So I have provided one sample content as the dummy name over here, dummy user. Okay, so whatever value we want to be used in the variable, we have to provide the sample content for that variable. here, because I have used only one variable, I have provided one sample content, and the sample content is not required to be exact. You can also provide dummy details over here. Now, after completing the template, you also have to send it for approval. And once it will get approved, you can definitely use it in order to send WhatsApp template messages to multiple people. Here, because my template is approved, I am going to use it in order to send WhatsApp messages to my Facebook leads. Okay, so let's move towards Pabbly Connect, and here we have to enter the template name. I will select the template name as Diwali discounts. This is my template, and done. The next is broadcast name. So here in this field, we have to provide the broadcast title which we have used in the template. So let me again take you to my Vati account. We will open the template once again. And here this is my broadcast name, that is Electronics Digital Shop. We have to enter the exact title here. So I am going to enter Electronics Digital Shop. Okay, so after giving the broadcast name, the next is custom parameters. So this is very important and crucial step of this workflow, as a single mistake in this field can make the workflow stuck. Okay, so here we have to provide the values of the variables which we want to use in the template. So whatever variables we have to use, we have to provide the values for them in this exact format, that is in the name and value pair. So without taking any risk, we will simply copy it and paste it over here. And now I'm going to do the necessary changes in this format only. Okay, so here in front of name, we have to provide the name of the variable, and in front of value, we have to provide the value which we want to use for the variable. So because I have used only one variable in my template, that is for name, so the name of the variable will be name only. And in place of value, here I am going to map the name from my previous response, that is Facebook lead ads. So this is the name, I have mapped it. So now when we have mapped the name, automatically with each and every response, this is going to be replaced with a new name of a new person. And now our custom parameters are in correct format. So in the same manner, in order to reduce the chances of errors, you can simply use the same trick. Just copy the format and paste it over here in the field and then make the necessary changes. It is given that if you want to enter the values for more than one variable, then what you are going to do, you will have to complete the values for one variable, and then you have to use a comma, a space, then again you will copy the same format, paste it over here and do the necessary changes. Okay, done. So after entering all the details successfully, let's click on save and send test request. And we can find that we have received the response here. So in the response, we have received the contact ID, which means our message is sent to the number which we have mapped. Okay, so let's go and check on WhatsApp whether a message is received there or not. And yes, we can find that here we have received the response and we have received the message from Electronics Digital Shop automatically. Hello smart user, this Diwali brings endless celebrations with Electronics Digital Shop. Enjoy 50% off on all your purchases plus extra 20%. For more exciting offers on retail and wholesale bookings, you can connect with us at electronicsdigital20@test.com. Thank you team Electronics Digital Shop. So this is the whole and the exact message which we have used in the template while creating. So because we have received this message, this means our workflow is perfectly successful. So let's go back on Pabbly Connect and we will summarize what we have done in this workflow. So here I have used two simple steps, trigger and action. In trigger, we have used Facebook lead ads, and in action, we have used Vati in order to send WhatsApp template messages. And we have connected both of them by using Pabbly Connect in such a way that now whenever a new lead will be generated by filling up the form in Facebook lead ads, automatically the response of that lead will be captured here in Pabbly Connect, and by using the same response, an automated WhatsApp message will be sent to that same lead by using Vati. So this was the full workflow, and these are the steps which we have to follow in order to create this workflow. By following the same steps, you can easily create this automation, and this is going to help you to automatically send WhatsApp messages this festive season to your Facebook leads for your electronic businesses. And then you can send them the offers which you want to provide them, the discount codes and etc. automatically without any efforts. So this was it in this video. I hope this was helpful for you. Thank you for watching. Not only these applications, but you can easily integrate many other applications by using Pabbly Connect. Now, if you have any doubt, you can easily email us at support@pabbly.com. If you want to ask any query, you can easily reach out to us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you are having any pricing related issue with Pabbly Connect, you can easily reach out to the website given over here. Now, if you find this video helpful in any way, do not forget to share it with your friends. And also, please like our videos and subscribe to our channel to learn more such automation.